Good morning, and welcome to the latest updates on China's economy. Today is Thursday, September 19, 2024, Eastern Standard Time. You're listening to China Finance Morning News. Let's kick off the day with your daily briefing from Panda Finance. Today's China financial news are: Fed cuts rates, experts urge China's central bank to lower reserve requirements. Hunan province finance chief possibly murdered, 3 found dead after falling from building. Alibaba CEO comments on AI developments. China reports local government hidden debt cases. Here's the formal news content. Frowny face. China's stock market closed higher following the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut. The Shanghai Composite Index gained 0.69%, while the Shenzhen Component Index rose 1.19%, and the Chinext Index added 0.85%. The market experienced a volatile rebound, with the Shenzhen Component Index leading the way. Overall, more stocks advanced than declined, with nearly 4,800 stocks rising across the board. Total trading volume on the Shanghai and Shenzhen exchanges amounted to 627 billion yuan, an increase of 147.7 billion yuan from the previous trading day. Leading sectors included liquor, food processing, non-ferrous metals, and domestic software. China's National Development and Reform Commission, NDRC, announced on September 19 that it plans to attract more private capital to participate in major infrastructure projects such as nuclear power and railways. At a press conference, the NDRC addressed challenges facing private investment and outlined measures to promote high-quality development. The commission emphasized that it would continue to remove obstacles hindering private investment and would encourage broader participation in large-scale projects. Lu Wenjie, finance chief of Hunan province, was found dead in what authorities suspect may be a homicide, according to reports from the Economic Observer. On the morning of September 19, Lu, a long-serving official in Hunan's finance department, was reported dead, with 3 other individuals found after falling from a building. While details remain unclear, the paper reported that all 3 individuals had died, and authorities are investigating the circumstances. Lu, born in October 1966, was appointed finance chief in December 2022 after serving as the head of Hunan's Statistics Bureau. China's Ministry of Finance unveiled 8 cases involving local government hidden debt on September 19, part of its ongoing scrutiny of the issue. Hidden debt, often raised via local government financing vehicles, LGFVs, has been a major concern since 2015, with defaults rising since 2019. Among the cases disclosed, Liaoning's Baiyuquan district borrowed 1.996 billion yuan from local state-owned enterprises, SOEs, Jiangxi's Dongxiang district raised 340 million yuan through local SOEs, and Hainan's Linggao County amassed 840 million yuan in hidden debt through long-overdue bank payments. Alibaba Cloud's new CEO, Wu Yongming, stated that AI's greatest potential lies in transforming the physical world, rather than creating apps for smartphone screens. Speaking at the Cloud Summit in Hangzhou on September 19, Wu highlighted that over 50% of the new demand for computing power is now driven by AI, a trend that is rapidly growing. He also revealed that Alibaba Cloud has significantly ramped up its investment in AI computing infrastructure but is still struggling to meet customer demand. China's real estate market, typically buoyant during the autumn sales season, has cooled, prompting calls for more policy stimulus. During the recent Mid-Autumn Festival, sales in cities like Shenzhen lagged behind expectations. Data from Centilene Real Estate showed a 57% drop in average daily secondary home sales compared to the previous weekend, while new home sales remained flat. Across Shenzhen, September's daily transaction volumes for secondary homes were down 20% compared to August. According to a report from Securities Daily, there has been a noticeable increase in penalties imposed on domestic accounting firms in China this year. As of September 18, 15 accounting firms have received 18 administrative penalty decisions from the China Securities Regulatory Commission, CSRC, or local securities regulatory bureaus, affecting 39 certified public accountants. The total amount of fines and confiscations has reached 488 million yuan. China's financial system faces a liquidity gap of 1.5 trillion yuan, raising calls for the People's Bank of China to cut the reserve requirement ratio, RRR, to stabilize markets. Challenges include tax payments, quarter-end funding pressures, and increased local government debt supply. Market participants are urging action as liquidity tightens, particularly with large banks facing unstable liabilities and limited space for issuing negotiable certificates of deposit. BlackRock China has taken the rare step of publicly criticizing 6 of its investors in a dispute over fund liquidation payouts. In a post on its official WeChat account, the firm accused the investors of orchestrating a campaign against the company, with over 15 lawsuits and arbitration cases, all dismissed by the courts. The dispute centers around the liquidation of the True Dragon Fund, with investors claiming control over the liquidation process and attempting to bypass BlackRock to directly claim payments from debtors. Thank you for tuning in to today's financial news. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.